Go ahead.
When it so if I decide, well, I think I am gonna do that. I think I'm gonna put. Would it be um would it help me? Would it benefit me tax wise if I take the money off of Cash App now and invest it into the, just reinvest all the money I have into the same portfolio you have? Like, would it
Yes,
cost me?
yes.
Yeah.
The thing is, at the end of the day, Dante, right? We're talking about $800, right? You probably made maybe like $200 like in profit, or something like that. Maybe like $100 in
Yeah.
profit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're
Yeah.
not gonna be taxed like crazy. I'd rather you maybe get taxed right now than you get taxed, for example, when you have $1 million in the future. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
So right now you can basically switch things around, put it in M1 Finance. By the way, when you get M1 Finance, go to transfers and make everything automated. That way they send the money automatically when you get paid into your account. This way you're investing automatically and you don't have to worry about anything. But also make sure you have money on the side for emergencies, because again, I don't want you to have to sell your investments again to then basically cover whatever emergencies you actually have.